Today is day 3 and the last day of the Impact-Driven Teaching Conference. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayleen Sanchez, and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida. And today is day 3 and the last day of the Impact-Driven Teaching Conference. It is very early in the morning. The sun's about to come up. I gotta rush downstairs because I'm running a little bit behind. By a little bit, it's like maybe 5 minutes to go to beach yoga. It's the last yoga session of the conference. And I'm ready. I'm wearing my teacher, I prefer the term educational rock star shirt from the Wright Chics and some fitness pants. And now I'm going to put on my flip-flops and head downstairs. This morning I started packing all my things because after yoga I'll come back up here, change really quickly and get my things downstairs because after the conference ends at 11:30 we check out from the hotel and I go back home. So let's go ahead and do some yoga and I'll see you soon.
Good morning, beautiful friends. I'm filming on Michele's phone because I am a good vlogger and did not bring a battery in my camera. But it's too late because we're already late for sunrise yoga / meditation. Did not wake up for it yesterday. Today's a different story. We always tell ourselves we can do better. So we're here, doing better, running on 2 hours of sleep. It's fine, it's great, it's beautiful.
Stop what you're doing, get in the moment. Oh yeah, show me some movement, yeah you can do it. Oh yeah, we won't be broke forever. We won't be broke forever. We won't be broke forever. We won't be broke
Yoga finished. I just came back to my room and I finished packing up the last bit of things that I needed to pack up. And now I'm going to head downstairs to the conference room with all my luggage. I'm just gonna put it to the side and I'm going to enjoy some breakfast and the keynote for this morning, Jen Jones. So I'm looking forward to that and to the rest of this day, the last day of the conference. So I'll see you soon. Just made it down to the conference room and we have a buffet breakfast this morning. So let's go ahead and get something to eat.
Show me some movement, yeah you can do it. Oh yeah, you're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies. I make wishes talking to the sky.
So the conference is officially over.
No,
and
it's not. The party just started. Oh, well, yeah, the conference.
The conference is over, but our time here in Florida is not over because I'm hanging out here with Mayleen, Breana, and Kim, Kate, Sharidan, and Moira is over there. So we're just having some fun by the pool, and then possibly we'll go see some Windward Walls and go back to Aventura. We started with a slide. We'll finish with a slide. All right, see you later.
Whatever you guys just saw, that was so much fun, but I have no idea what this is gonna look like, but all you need to know is that even though the conference is over, the love, the happiness, the party has just started. We've still got Bree. We still have Michele, obviously. We still have Kim. Did I hurt you? Yeah, you kind of like Sharidan and Kay and Moira, who's like Moira being a supermodel on her own over there, just living her best life. And then
I just enjoyed meeting you so much and being inspired by, I would say, your teaching, but even your ministry, the love you have for the students, everything. Look at you, you're tearing up already.
I'm sorry, okay.
I feel the same way. It's like I'm so glad to have met you because like I just said a few minutes ago, I feel like you're speaking to my soul. So thank you. Thank you. After the pool, we came to Aventura Mall. No Wynwood Walls for us, but we're here.
Sharidan, Mayleen,
We're gonna go down the slide and then eat.
dreamers of a different kind.
Here we are. We started going down the slide with Mayleen and now we're gonna go down the slide ending this awesome Impact Teaching Driven Conference weekend by going down the slide again.
We light up, light up. We light up, light up. We light up. We light up. We light up, light up. We light up, light up. Hello from the other side.
Baby just goes.
We're in Aventura Mall. We just went down the slide. So much fun. Mayleen and Sharidan are going again. My legs hurt too much for me to climb all those stairs again. It's really high up, but so much fun.
Oh yes,
Somebody's coming here.
That's Mayleen. Maybe not.
Yeah, the sound. No.
Wait, is that Sharidan?
You got Sharidan. Yay!
I vlogged it.
Yay!
We light up. We light up, light up. We light up, light up. We light up.
So we have already left Aventura and now I'm dropping these girls off at the airport. Wait, bye girls. Have a great flight. Bye Mayleen.
Have a safe drive back. Safe? There's fire trucks here.
We're gonna back up.
Okay.
Final stop for today.
Yes. Oh, you deserve like
Megan.
Oh, hi.
So I'm dropping her off and then I'll see you soon.
that tall.
I know, right? I'll see you soon. All right, so I just got back from dropping off Megan at the airport. Before that, you saw me drop off Mayleen, Sharidan, and Breana at the other airport. And it's just been an amazing weekend. And I'm so glad that I was able to spend the last bit of this weekend with them. I took them to my local mall and we had a great time. Overall, it's been such an amazing time connecting with these people and just getting to hug them and just, you know, building community and building each other up and being there for one another. And who knows what we can accomplish together in the future. And we'll keep you posted on that. And now I'm looking forward to next year's conference because I know it's going to be amazing, because this was an amazing experience for all of us. They were so appreciative, and I'm so appreciative for Genius Plaza. Thank you so much for putting all of this together for all of these amazing educators. And thank you, Anna. Thank you, Michele E. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Mary. Thank you to all of the Genius Plaza representatives that were there at the conference, being there for us, rooting us on. Thank you for all your inspiring words. Thank you for believing in us and for seeing the potential in all of us, because that is one amazing group of educators. All right, so with that, I'm going to finish my Genius Plaza impact-driven teaching conference. I loved every minute of it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought and questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. Hello, dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.